Let's talk about what Kentucky Windage is. It is it's very easy, and it's definitely the fastest way to get on target if you seem to be off target. So this is the bullseye here. Now, let's say you're aiming dead bullseye, right? You're aiming dead bullseye, and when you aim dead bullseye, you hit there. You're aiming dead bullseye and your bullet hits here. Well, you don't go to your scope and your turrets and start adjusting things. You can very quickly correct that. In order to hit that bullseye, because as you're shooting the bullseye, you're hitting here, then you simply counter that with the other side, right? So if aiming here hits here, then in order to hit here, I need to shoot here. So you aim here and then you'll hit the bullseye. Got it? Okay. And that goes for anywhere on the target. So let's say I'm aiming at the bullseye and I hit here. Okay. So I'm aiming at the bullseye and I hit all the way up there. Well, to immediately correct that, you can really just kind of draw a line. So just draw a line, in your mind, but you draw a line from there to the bullseye, right? And then take that same length and keep going in that same direction, right? That's how you do that. So you then aim here, and you'll hit the bullseye. So let's go over that again. If you're aiming at the bullseye and you hit here, then in order to hit the bullseye, you need to aim here and then you'll hit the bullseye. And all you got to do is wherever you shoot, when you shoot the bullseye, wherever the bullet lands, draw a line, and in your mind, draw a line from that spot to the bullseye and then double that length. If you hit here, you're shooting bullseye and you hit here, draw a line to the bullseye, double that length, and then shoot there and you'll hit the bullseye. That is Kentucky Windage.